Guys, it's over here, and this is present unboxing part 2. So I have the Amazon Echo Auto. So this is basically Alexa for your car, and I'm going to be getting my license soon. So this is gonna be amazing for that. I won't have to like touch anything. I can just be like, Alexa, play Lady Gaga, or Alexa, play Black Eyed Peas, something like that. So
shuffling songs by
Alexa,
the Black
shut
Eyed
up.
Peas.
Wow. So I'm just tearing in. Okay. Open this up. Okay. There is a car charger thing. That's nice. Cigarette lighter charger. Here's the Echo Auto. Then the mount for it. And then, I don't know what that is. In here we have the Echo Auto itself. It's so tiny. This is literally what it is. Then we have a cord and stuff for it, but I'm not going to open any of this yet because I'm going to let my parents see it so they can set it up so I don't break it. But yeah, that's pretty much it with this. It's a nice short little unboxing. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.